I really like trying to work on not using the word busy anymore, because it kind of just creates this thing where it's, I'm busy, and it's like a real bad word. So I guess what does motivate me to do it is I just don't like being bored. It's the worst feeling, so I just have to create my own fun, and sometimes you kind of just thrive off deadlines and all the different possibilities and outcomes. My name is Craig Scott. I'm a designer and I'm Head of Exhibitions and Creative Services at Otago Museum. I guess I've always had like a creative mind in some ways. I remember redesigning CD and cassette covers when I was little, and so it's always been sort of a natural progression to move through into something creative, and I was kind of lucky in the way that it all happened. Working at the museum, and doing sort of exhibition design, it's an element of spatial, graphic. There's the whole production side of things, of having to get things built and dealing with contractors for electrical stuff that you wouldn't normally, I guess, as a graphic designer think of doing. We do such an array of different things. Every day is a different job, a different design, a different outcome, and it's really exciting to not really always know what's coming next. It's kind of hard to describe what design is in a sense, but I kind of live and breathe it. It's like a 24/7 kind of job. I made a sort of thing with myself. I couldn't go to bed before creating like 1 or 2 pieces of art. So now I've got like hundreds of drawings and sketches all like stockpiled away. That sort of turned into involving myself in more and more stuff. So at the moment, I'm chairperson of Dunedin Designed Inc, which also runs the store guild. All the retailers and that work in the store, and I have my own creative label, Self Destruct Studio, which stocks in that store as well. And then outside of that as well, I'm the city host for the Design Kids Dunedin, and we run projects each month to sort of connect the creative community. I never ever thought that I'd work in a museum. There's definitely room for growth and I guess a lot of new opportunities. I think having the James Cameron exhibition here is a great example of that. We've never done anything this technical that syncs lighting, AV, projection. So I think in terms of going forward, there's so many opportunities, and it's always fun to collaborate with other people. I think one of the great things about Dunedin and New Zealanders is that we are innovative and creative in the way we go about things, so yeah, it doesn't feel like work at all.